Hi guys, one of the common questions I get is how to get body oil stains out of pillowcases. And a lot of times when people reach out to me about this, they say they usually see it more on their husband's side. So I think this is from our head when we're sleeping. It's body oils, it's sweat, it's all the things. And I think we actually all do this, not just husbands. But in women, what we typically notice is more oily hair when we wake up, and we either need to wash our hair more frequently or use a dry shampoo, where men generally have shorter hair. And so the oils that they're secreting throughout the night don't have any place to go. So it goes on their pillowcases. So I just want to show you how I deal with this. So today is sheets day, comforters day, all the things. The first thing I did is stripped my bed down and I used the mattress cleaner. I spray this on in between 8 and 10 sprays all throughout the mattress. And then I also do about 2 sprays each per pillow. Now with mattress cleaner, you want to let this sit on the surface before covering it back up for 4 hours. So before I put the sheets on, I want to wait 4 hours to just give the enzymes a chance to do their job. So while that's happening, I'll do a couple things in the laundry room. So I will take any pillowcases or sheets that have those body oils on them. See that? I'm sure you can. I will deep soak them. So I have my Norwex bucket here and I have it filled up with water. A fun fact on this is if you fill it to about right here, that's 1 gallon. So I'm going to put those pillowcases, and I'm actually going to put my pillowcases in there too, and let those fully absorb the water. And then what I like to add is a little bit of Powerzyme. I have about 1/2 scoop of Powerzyme. I'm just going to sprinkle that over the top. I'm also going to add 4 teaspoons of the microfiber deep cleaner. Okay, let's measure this out. We got 1, and you could probably even do 2. I usually do 4 since that's what the back of the package recommends. So I've added my products. And a little tip, if your sheets and pillowcases are white or really light cream, you can always add bright and white. You can actually use bright and white with colors as well, but I typically don't do it with these since I'm adding the Powerzyme. So then I'll take the sheets and I'll just kind of massage that product in, and I can already smell the stuff coming out of them. So I know these pillowcases have a lot of just stuff in them, body oil, sweat, drool. These are all things that cause those funky odors. So I'm gonna let these soak in here, just like this, in my Norwex bucket for probably in between 1/2 hour to an hour. Now, when I'm done, I'm going to use the drain on the bottom of the bucket here to let the water out. So look at that water, already dark. There's 4 pillowcases in here. So our pillowcases can get just really nasty. I feel like our pillowcases get nastier than our sheets, just because that's where our head is, or really the thing we probably need to deep clean the most. So when I'm done soaking, I'm gonna drain it using the drain on the bottom. And I actually have one that's empty. So here's what the drain looks like. You just turn this while the pillowcases are in there, let the water out, and then I will rinse them out a little bit in this utility tub, and then I will put them in the washer. And in the washer, I have the rest of our sheets, the fitted sheet and the flat sheet, and then I'll just wash them all together and put them in the dryer. Now I am using the lyocell sheets on my bed currently, so I'll wash these in warm with Powerzyme. And if the water gets really dirty in here, I may even add a couple teaspoons of this to the washer. But when I do this every single time, the results are spectacular. It gets rid of all the stains, all the odors out of the pillowcases. And I take my time doing this because I have 4 hours to wait until that mattress cleaner is done doing its job. I hope this was helpful, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye for now.